Ojo,
Ma?
come here.
Ma?
Go and get me water to drink.
Okay, ma.
I pray you save me with your left hand.
What?
I just pray you save me with your left hand.
Mama?
Wait! Did you just save me with your left hand?
Mama, I saved you with my right hand. It was you who collected it with your left hand.
You are a very lucky boy. What I will have done to you today. Come and get out. We shall see.
Get me my phone on the center table.
What?
Ojo,
Ma?
come here.
Ma?
Pass me the remote on my head.
What?
Ma?
I said, pass me the remote on my head. Yes, complain. Just complain. Say something. Let me slap your face. Just complain. You keep getting lucky. Don't worry. I will still get you.
This child is lost. Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. You know you can be prosecuted for that.
What did you break?
Me? Nothing.
Nothing.
break anything.
If I should find out you broke something later on, I will break you into pieces.
Jesus!
Wait! Let me see the waste bin.
Ma?
I said, let me see the waste bin. The waste bin, quickly. Bring it here.
Apostle will hear of this.
Ojo, you broke my plate.
Please.
My favorite plate. Do you know how much I bought this plate? And you have the audacity to lie to me. You know, I have been looking for a way to beat you since we came back. And I have just found an opportunity. You broke my plate. My favorite plate.
Hello, Grandma. It's me, Ojo. Grandma, I miss you. Please, come and take me out of here.